Meaning of discoverer.
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 Discoverer. The word discoverer refers to a person who finds or uncovers something for the first time. This term is commonly used in the context of exploration, scientific research, and innovation. Discoverers play an important role in expanding our knowledge and understanding of the world around us. They may make new findings, reveal hidden truths, or bring to light previously unknown phenomena. Through their discoveries, they contribute to the advancement of human civilization and leave a lasting impact on society.